Sorry. Oo, update namin kayo bukas if meron na ulit na access, okay? But for today, we're just gonna do introduction to mental health practices and EHR system. Yung EHR system natin supposed to be simple practice because I've been to two mental health practices and gamit nila is simple practice talaga for EHR for mental health. All right. Okay, so our objective is to understand the basics of mental health practices, familiarize with common mental health conditions and treatment. Siyempre, kailangan natin kabisaduhin yan or hindi naman kabisado, familiarize. Alam niyo naman yan, naaral niyo naman yan sa college, but we're still gonna do or we're still gonna recall or i-go through pa rin natin. And then, introduction to your electronic health records that is used in mental health, which is, I'm gonna give you a few example, pero sa navigation, yung simple practice natin. Baka bukas mag-okay na siya. Alright, overview of mental health practices, structure and services, common mental health condition, introduction to your EMR systems, and hands-on EHR navigation. Okay, wala lang tong part na to. Okay. And so overview of the mental health practices, structure, and services. Siyempre, ang ating mental health is focused on diagnosing, um, naglalag na yung brain ko. Treating and supporting individuals with mental health conditions. So, yung mga patient natin, meron silang iba't ibang type of mental health illness. So, we have tried behavior, merong anxiety, merong mga hoarders, ganyan. Yun pa lang yung na-encounter ko ha, but we're gonna discuss yung lahat. Okay? So, meron tayong mga providers, meron tayong mga psychiatrists, mental doctors, medical doctors who diagnose and treat mental disorders, often prescribing medication. Ayan, yan yung mga psychiatrists natin. Meron din tayong psychologist, trained in therapy and counseling but do not prescribe medication. So, dalawang part yon. May mga psychiatrists na nagpa-prescribe but mostly mga na-encounter nyo is psychologist, which is more on therapy sila. Okay, whether it's be individual or child or doctor. Dito naman wala silang like age. Kahit pedya, tapos merong type of behavioral or mental issue, kaya pa rin nilang i-treat. Okay, therapists and counselors provide psychotherapy, including cognitive behavioral therapy, family therapy, and trauma counseling. Kaya magmamatter yan pag nag-insurance verification kayo ng mental health kasi iba-iba yung tatanungin sa'yo. Is your provider a psychiatrist? Is your provider a psychologist? Is it a therapist? Ganyan. Okay? Meron din tayong mga social worker, nakikita naman nila yun sa end nila eh, if the provider is a psychiatrist, psychologist, pero i-confirm nila yun sa inyo. Assist with case management, support, and counseling, particularly focusing on community resources. We have psychiatric nurse practitioner, provide medication management and some psychotherapy services, and administrative and support staff, which is tayo yon and yung iba pang mga staff. Okay? Mga services na ino-offer ng mga clients na ito is assessment and diagnosis. Yun yung mga evaluation natin, no? Okay? Um, mga testing, meron silang mga certain files and forms sa loob ng EHR. Okay, na sinesend kay clients to fill up before magkaroon ng consultation. We have medication management. Very rare pagdating sa mental health as mental health VA ka kasi more on therapy lang. Okay, kasi pag sa simple practice, there's no medication management doon, hindi ka makakapag-send ng prescription. Okay, kaya mahirap siyang gamitin. Okay, ginagamit yung karamihan ng mga therapy or counseling. Okay, monitoring and prescribing. Okay, we have individual therapy, one-on-one counseling sessions. Okay, merong mga group therapy and may mga family and couple therapy. Okay? We also have crisis intervention, case management, telemedicine, diyan tayo nagfo-fall under, outpatient and inpatient services. Okay? Mostly sa atin, magiging client natin is telemedicine and outpatient programs. Okay? Common mental health condition. Can you give me an example of common mental health condition? Number one natin, depression, major depressive disorder. Okay? Symptoms, yun yung sadness, loss of interest in activities, fatigue, changes in sleep or appetite, feeling of worthlessness, and difficulty concentrating. Ay pagdating sa simple practice, let me give you an example para ma-familiarize niyo siya. Meron dong mga forms in simple practice that you can fill up, mamaya na lang pala, kasi naka-record pala tayo, that you can fill up for them to gauge yung if you're depressed or not. Like sort of survey, parang ganon, na if-fill upan mo and then they will know. Yun yung mga behavioral questions na I'm sure na-encounter nyo na back in college or back in uh, work application, yung mga talang like, "How happy are you, Kinemberly, Kinemberly?" Na-encounter niyo ba 'yun? Yung sobrang hahaba ng tanong, yung mga 4 pages, ganyan. Yung merong, "I agree," gano'n, "I disagree," yung may mga gano'n o kaya neutral. Yes, 'di ba? 'Yun yung mga forms na 'yun. Ginagamit din nila 'yun to gauge yung, illness or level of illness ni ano. Iba po ba sa DSM? I'm not sure yung ano, saglit nga mag-open nga ako ng ano, magta-try nga ako mag-open ng ay, okey. Try ako mag-open ng simple practice dito sa kabila. Anong form yun? One moment, hanapin ko yung form. Screenshot ko para may ano, makita niyo. Or mahina lang talaga yung internet ko. Ay, hindi siya nag-fill up ng file. Ayan, mga questionnaire. Ito ata yan. Okey. 'To. PHQ-9, 'yan. Depression Questionnaire. So, para siyang list of questions na tatanungin sa'yo, like little interest in pleasure in doing things, feeling down, depressed, or hopelessness, ganyan. So, if you're in a mental health 7, yes, GAD-7, yes, ginagamit din for anxiety, pinifilapan din. Mamaya 'pag nakita niyo yung simple practice, papakita ko sa inyo yung dalawang form na yun na ginagamit. Bale ang forms na mostly is, yung GAD-7, PHQ-9, tsaka adverse childhood experience. Ano ba, mga, consent, 'yun. Ayan, PHQ-9. Tapos ito din, GAD-7. Ito siya, anxiety scale for general anxiety disorder. Feeling nervous, anxious, or on edge, ganyan. Not being able to stop, kineme area. Pinapasagutan yan sa mga pasyente. And then sa loob ng files nila, meron yung ano, meron kang makikita like yung measures. Kaya makikita mo ganito. Screenshot ko sa inyo. Hmm. Ganyan. Makikita niyo yung measures. So, for PHQ-9, for depression tsaka anxiety, ito yung level niya, 0. Meaning, 'pag 0, wala siyang ano, like none or minimal. Ganyan. Pero 'pag for example, nag-score siya ng 5, it will be under moderately severe, 'pag higher, severe na, gano'n. Dati kasi ano, eh, 'di ba nauso yung mga ano, yung dito kasi sa Philippines hindi siya gano'n ka ano, gano'n ka like topic or like a disease siya tini-treat parang kasi dati ano, eh, strong era, eh, 'di ba madaming mga ano like Ano lang 'yan, kineme-kineme lang 'yan, 'di ba? Gano'n-gano'n lang yung treat ng Pilipinas sa depression and other mental health, diseases, 'di ba? Gano'n. So, yung iba mga pinipeke 'yan para lang masabing depressed sila. You'll know, eh, you'll know. Pero ngayon open na, very open na tayo in treating ano, oo, pray-pray lang daw, nasa utak lang daw 'yon, gano'n, ganyan. Iniisip mo lang daw 'yon, ganyan, ayan. Tapos yung iba ano, 'di ba nagka-cut, ganyan. And before, it wasn't really being like, noticed, 'di ba? Okey. Eh, malayo sa bituka, very good example, yan yung sasabihin sa'yo malayo sa bituka yan. Okay, but in US, they acknowledge this kind of illnesses, okay, and they treat it. Okay, so treatment is psychotherapy. Okay, 'pag psychotherapy nga, anong difference? Yes, iniimbento mo lang 'yan, sorry meron kasing urgent na meron kaming phlebotomist. Alam niyo ba yung phlebotomist? Tsaka medical, assistant na sa laboratory, 'di ba I told you I had a laboratory. Tas namatay daw yung grandfather niya, so we had to find coverage. So nagtatawag ako ng ganitong oras, which is 5:30 AM pa lang dun sa client ko, which is really out of, time ng duty ko kasi ang duty ko pa is 8 or 9 AM sa kanila, which is California time. Pero 5 AM pa lang nagdu-duty na ako sa kanila kasi kailangan namin ng coverage. Yun yung mga times na gano'n talaga, may mga client talaga na gano'n. Okey, psychotherapy, antidepressant medication, and lifestyle changes. 'Pag hindi kinaya ng mga counseling, ganyan, of course nag-a-add na tayo ng another may nakaalala sa'kin, intervention, which is medication. Okey? Mental health condition number 2 is your anxiety disorder, okay? Includes yung ating GAD-7 form, ito ginagamit for general, anxiety disorder, you have panic disorder, social anxiety disorders, and phobia. Okay, symptoms, ayan makikita nila 'yan, excessive worry, restlessness, rapid heart rate, sweating, trembling. Pero mahirap ma-check 'to kasi most mental health practices is using telemedicine na ngayon. So, paano nila makikita if like excessive sweating ba yung ano mo, nagnginginig-nginig ba yung pasyente mo? So, mahirap. That's why they use the forms, okay, to gauge. Okay, treatment is psychotherapy, medications, SSRIs, benzodiazepine, relaxation techniques, and cognitive behavioral therapy. Okay, which is, yun yung tinatanong natin if they are covered by the insurance or not. Okay? We have bipolar, alternating episodes of mania. Merong times na okay siya, meron times na nagiging impulsive siya. And depression. Okay? Treatment is mood stabilizer, antipsychotic medication, psychotherapy, and lifestyle changes. Okay? Parang ang end goal nila and parang ano, last option mo na yung medication. Alright? Okay, we have OCD or obsessive compulsive disorder, persistent unwanted thoughts and obsession, and repetitive behavior compulsion, and like excessive cleaning, checking, or counting. Okay? Cognitive behavioral therapy exposure and response prevention and medication. Okay, makikita nyo lahat, andyan yung therapy. Okay, post-traumatic stress disorder or PTSD, flashback nightmare, severe anxiety, and avoidance of triggers related to traumatic events, which happens mostly with our or their, saan? Saan natin mostly nakikita PTSD? Commonly sa kanila. Army or veteran. Very good. Okay? VA, yes. Hindi tayong VA yan ha, ibig sabihin niya is yung mga veterans, okay? Baka sabihin niyo mga VA, meron tayong PTSD tayong mga VA, that's veterans guys ha. Alright. Okay, treatment natin is of course therapy. Baka sabihin niya VA tayo mga VA. Okay, kasi baka hindi sila familiar sa VA. Lagay ko na lang nga, baka maguluhan tayo, veterans. Alright, which is yung galing sa war, okay? Army. Baka sabihin VA. Natatawa naman ako dun. Natawa ako kasi parang feeling ko ako yun. Ako, like, parang feeling, ay may PTSD siguro ako pag VA. Alright? Na-play ko lang sa sarili ko. Okay, we have our trauma-focused therapy, medications, and cognitive behavioral therapy. Andiyan na naman yung ating cognitive behavioral therapy. Okay? We have schizophrenia, hallucination, delusions, disorganized thinking, social withdrawal, and cognitive impairment. Okay? Meron tayong mga antipsychotic medication and psychotherapy, at psychosocial intervention and support for daily functioning. Okay? ADHD or attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, nagiging common na lang 'to sa kanila para hindi na siya tini-treat as ano, as illness, which is your inattention, hyperactivity, impulsivity, and which interferes with functioning and development. Okay? Nakuwento ko sa inyo yung client ko, she is, psychiatric kasi nagpe-prescribe siya. And she has a diagnosed ADHD. Ang hirap katrabaho, promise. Or siguro kasi hindi lang talaga ako sanay na katrabaho na may ADHD, sobra akong nahirapan mag-adjust. Okay, kasi ano siya, yung brain niya sobrang, bilis mag-function, hindi siya makaka-catch up. And ang bilis niya mag-change ng decision. Like, "Do this. Why did you do that? Don't do that." Gano'n. So, parang ako, OMG, saan ako lulugar? Gano'n. Kasi mag-uutos siya sa'kin like, "Schedule this patient." So, siyempre ako masunuring bata ako, I will schedule the patient. Tapos tatawag siya mamaya, "Why did you schedule that patient?" Gaganon siya. And then sabi, "Don't schedule. Call her to cancel." Gaganon siya. So, siyempre for the cancel ako. Hanggang sa ako na lang nahihiya na mag-cancel na mag-cancel na mag-cancel ng appointment. Gano'n siya kahirap. Um Yes, oo. Pero wala kasing nagda-diagnose, like walang nagda-diagnose, parang siguro self. Pero hindi niya dinisclose na meron siyang ano, meron siyang like meron ba siyang psychiatric na sarili or sarili niya, gano'n. And she's not taking any medication, mostly ano lang, therapy, which is pero hindi ko alam kung ano, kung anong nangyayari. Basta lagi lang niya sinasabi ah every time na magkakausap kami, she has ADHD, she has ADHD. Lagi niya yung binubungad, which is, "Okey, okey. Okey na lang sabi ko, sige hanggang kaya ko titiisin kita." Okey, ganyan. Pero yun na nga, like for the day, magte-take lang siya ng isang appointment. Siguro ang appointment niya within the day is like 4 to 5, maximum is 5. Okay, and magsi siya ng patient, one patient in the morning. Okay, so one patient lang. Okay, and then sasabihin niya sa'kin, "Cancel the other 3 and reschedule." Okay, so siyempre ako for the call ako, tapos i-re-resched ko. Okay, ta's tomorrow same day, the next day, the next day, the next day. So parang ang hirap kasi ikaw yung front, ikaw yung face, ikaw yung tinatawagan. So, ang hirap na lagi kang cancel ng cancel ng cancel sa pasyente. Okay, and people are, getting mad for the cancellation, and like it makes it for your fault kasi ikaw yung nag-i-schedule sa kanila, ikaw yung nag-assist sa kanila with, rescheduling. Okay, so ayun siya. And then hanggang sa nakakapagod kasi parang pabago-bago ng desisyon, it's like your fault. Yun yung very first time na naka-encounter ako ng gano'n with all of the providers that I've worked with. Okay, and mind you that that provider did not train me at all with her practice. Okay, so yung experience ko nagamit ko sa kanya pero yun na nga, ang hirap kasi pabago-bago siya ng desisyon. Yes, ayun. In the end ako na yung sumuko sa kanya, sabi ko na, "Hindi ko na kaya, hindi ko na alam kung anong gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo, okey? Sinubukan naman kitang tulungan pero hindi ko na talaga kaya." And then she reach back naman na ang dami niyang sinabi na ganito, ganyan, "Can you give me a second chance, magbabago naman ako," ganyan, ganyan. And okay, I gave her the second chance pero hindi talaga siya nagbago. So sabi ko, I don't want to come back. Sabi ko, "Kahit na gaano pa kalaki ang offer mo, if I'm gonna work with you and that's how you work, sobrang hirap." Talaga, I'm going to be 100% honest with you. I've worked with a lot of providers. I work with 4 providers at once, pero never ever akong nasisi dahil sa inutusan akong mag-schedule at nag-schedule ako. So yun, I had to let go. Kahit na ang offer niya sa akin is $18 an hour. Isipin mo magtitiyaga ka lang na $18 an hour ka, 4 hours a day. Tiyatiyagain mo lang, solve ka na, 'di ba? Pero gano'n siya kahirap. Sabi ko, "No, I no." Ano, kahit na taasan mo pa yan 'te, ang ayoko na talaga 'te. Sisisihin mo ko dahil mag-aano lang ako, mag-i-schedule ako ng appointment. Okey, ayun. Parang it's not worth the stress. Sabi ko, I'm not after the money. I like what I do. I like what I'm doing. Okay, I provide my services to a lot of providers. This is what I love doing. Okay, but if you're gonna be difficult to work with, no, you can find another VA. And ang pinakamahirap na part is a lot of VAs have come through her. Walang nagtatagal. Siguro ako lang nakatagal ng 1 month. 1 month. Yun na yun. Okay. Yes. Oo. Buong shift, mawawala siya. So, yung set na time niya is from 9 to 12, 9 to 8, 9 to 8 to 12 or 9 to 1, ganyan. Basta 4 hours. Pagka-out mo, magme-message siya sa'yo. Saying this, do that, gano'n. Pero hindi yun paid kasi you're paid just to 4 hours. So, okay, so duty ka, gano'n. Tapos may papagawa siya, ta's hindi niya i-che-check, ta's ifa-follow up ka niya, "Bakit hindi mo 'to nagawa?" or "Nagawa na ba? Ano ba gusto mong gawin ko dito?" gano'n. And mind you that person did not train me. So, parang ang hirap, "Ano ba ang gusto mo? Sabihin mo yung gusto mo." gano'n. Hindi niya sinasabi. So, parang saan ka lulugar, 'di ba? Gano'n. Alright, move on. Napakuwento na naman ang ating coach. Alright, eating disorders. Andiyan si ating anorexia and bulimia. Okay? And binge eating. Okay? Ang kanilang mga body image, extreme condition with body weight, yung nagpo-poke ng kanilang throat just to vomit. Okay? And nutritional counseling. Yung minsan pa is starve to death. Okay? Mga ganon. Personality disorder, may borderline personality disorder, narcissistic personality, antisocial, andiyan yan. Okay? And sometimes merong mga practices na very specific talaga. Like for, na-encounter ko, one provider, ang tinitreat lang niya is for speech impairment or speech therapy. Gano'n lang. Yung practice lang niya is specific lang to parang they could have treat more. Pero that provider is focused or more focused on just speech. So yung mga ano niya, mga pasyente niya is more on speech lang, speech impairment, okay. And nakakatuwa kasi speech impairment siya, pero it's telehealth. Parang ang hirap imaginin paano ka magka-cancel ng speech kung naka-telehealth ka 'te. Parang hindi ko ma-imagine kung paano yung consultation 'pag gano'n. Bahala na kayo mag-imagine, okay? Compulsive drug or alcohol, any substance abuse, okay? Andiyan yung ating mga alcohol, ayan. Okay, may mga cravings, withdrawal symptoms, and inability to control consumption as well as other drugs. Maraming drugs yan lalo na in the US. Okay, behavioral therapy, medication, support groups, and rehab programs. Okay, dyan na naman yung ating behavioral therapy. Okay? And introduction to EHR systems. Meron ba kayong mga question? Okay, any question? None so far? Okay, all clear naman ba? Alright. Okay, introduction to your EHR system for mental health. Okay, so of course, our EHR is very similar to our, okay, practice fusion. Okay, but this one, yung EHR na gagamitin natin, yung simple practice, since ang focus kasi ni simple practice is more on the billing, kasi billing and claims, kasi mabilis mag-submit ng claims and mabilis mag-submit ng claims sa kanila. Okay? So, yung simple practice is very limited yung service niya. So, 'pag nag-schedule ka ng appointment, kaya naman mag-schedule, pero, ah, 'pag 'pag pumunta ka na dun sa kaniyang mismong like chart ni patient, walang medication, lab, yung usual na features na nakita natin sa Practice Fusion, wala siyang gano'n. Okay, I'll show you later. Alright? So, ano ba yung mga key features ng mental health EHR system? Andun pa rin yung patient documentation. Okay, mga clinical notes, progress notes ni doctor, treatment plans, andun pa rin naman, like yung consultation notes. Pero, since this one is focused on mostly therapy and counseling, okay, walang medication management na kasama si Simple Practice. Simple lang talaga siya. Okay? Scheduling, kaya namang mag-scheduling, allows easy scheduling for patient tracking and cancellation and follow-ups. Okay? They have customizable templates. Okay? May mga templates na pwede kang i-upload. Okay? And integrated yung kanilang billing and coding. Mabilis mag-submit ng claims sa kanila. Okay? Wala na silang third party kasi they can submit the claims, okay, on the portal or on the Simple Practice EHR itself. Okay? Medication management ito, this one is wala pero yung ibang mga EHR meron. Kay telehealth support, ayan, puwede kang makapag-join ng um, consultation 'no, gamit ang Simple Practice, using the portal. Okay, ang pinakamaganda sa kanila, okay, is meron silang patient portal which is, kaya nating makipag-communicate kay patient using the EHR and as well as kaya natin mag-send ng form kay patient using the EHR and the patient will receive it on the EHR itself. Okay, and of course, it's HIPAA compliant. Okay, popular EHR systems for mental health providers. You have your TerraNest. Okay, you have your Simple Practice. This one is the common or widely used. Okay, Careo and Valant. Okay, may mga provider ako napuntahan, they use Careo pero nag-switch sila to Simple Practice. Alright? Ayan. Ayan, mag-e-HR na sana tayo. Okay, pero since hindi tayo makapag-EHR at nagloloko si Simple Practice, okay, I'll show you the EHR. Pero hindi natin siya i-record, guys, ha? But if you have any question, this is the time. May question ba kayo? Wala. Okay, okay lang, stop ko na recording, Yung billing po coach na integrated sa mental health lang? Hindi naman. Kung ano yung practice na gumagamit ng Simple Practice, okay, pero ulit-ulit practice, practice, kaya mag-submit. Ah. But since we're talking about mental health yung focus. Pero other practice, 'di ba nakita niyo kanina may mga like drop down, like acupuncture, ganyan, puwede naman, oo. Pero mostly nung nagde-deal with medication, hindi nila nagagamit si Simple Practice kasi they want an EHR that they can send in their prescription. Since you can't do that sa Simple Practice, siguro hindi nila pinipili. So that's why some people use Practice Fusion and Athena kasi you can send the prescription there. Ito hindi. Valant, ayan, Valant. Alright. Okay, pa-stop ako ng recording, Nix.